Welcome back to Hartley Homestead, everyone. Today, what I'm doing is actually adding stereo speakers to my John Deere 1025 Mauser cab. I didn't start recording until I kind of got everything apart because I wasn't sure how it was going to go. But to get the top off of the Mauser cab, there's actually 4 bolts, 1 in each corner, and that's all that holds the cap on. Once you get it off, here is where the speaker ports are. They just take a standard 4-inch speaker. I got those on Amazon fairly cheap, and I can leave the description in the video, or the link in the video. This is, so anyway, what the top part of the Mauser cab looks like. You got the heater, fan, and wiper motor there. So anyway, I got the speakers hooked up and ran the speaker wire. There's a channel here, and I was able to fish it down through with some stiffer house wire. And it actually comes out of a little hole right here. This bracket here, I think, is where I'm going to mount the AM/FM radio. And I'm going to splice power into the 12-volt outlet here. And so it'll give a pretty clean install. It'll have 2 stereo speakers. So I just thought I would catch that on video. The other thing I rigged up is I bought a marine rubber ducky AM/FM antenna on Amazon. I heard a lot or read a lot that dealerships were installing the antenna horizontally, like under here from the dealership, and that a lot of the owners were having poor radio reception. So what I did is made a little L-shaped bracket, and I actually just used some sheet metal screws to mount it to the turn signal hazard light bracket. And you can see that it sticks up a bit, but being a flexible antenna, I'm not really worried about it. And it does allow, I'm hoping, for better radio reception. So once I get everything kind of tucked in and hooked up, I will touch this up with some black paint, and then it should look like it came that way from the factory. So, okay, thanks everyone. Just thought I would record my progress on installing an AM/FM stereo in a John Deere 1025R Mauser cab.